The hidden gold rush. Imagine this. You're sitting in a busy cafe, headphones on, a latte cooling next to you. Around you, people are complaining about inflation, layoffs, and the endless hustle of side gigs that never take off. But you're quietly running businesses, or even multiple businesses, powered by an invisible army of algorithms. While everyone else stresses over their 9-to-5, your AI side hustles are generating money automatically. This isn't a science fiction fantasy. It's happening right now in 2025. Most people think AI is about robots taking over jobs. But the truth is, AI isn't just replacing jobs. It's creating new ways to make money that most people can't even see yet. By the time the mainstream catches on, the first movers will already have built empires. The best opportunities will be gone. In this video, I'll take you inside 8 under-the-radar AI side hustles you can start today, before they explode and become saturated. Let's dig into these hidden gold mines that most people won't even notice until it's too late. The data whisperers. Data is the fuel that powers every AI system. Self-driving cars, medical diagnostics, marketing tools, they all run on huge volumes of high-quality labeled data. But where does all this data come from? Someone needs to prepare it. Enter AI-assisted data labeling services. In 2025, companies are paying enormous amounts to get their data cleaned, categorized, and annotated. You don't have to do this manually. AI now handles about 80% of the work. You oversee it, check for accuracy, and ensure it's ready for the client. Focus on specialized niches: medical scans, sports game footage, legal documents, or voice transcription for niche dialects. Clients often pay between $50 and $200 an hour for this type of precise, specialized data work. You can start solo, from your laptop. Over time, you might build a small remote team, or even launch a subscription data service. While everyone else tries to sell generic digital downloads, you become the quiet supplier of the lifeblood all AI systems need: the micro-SaaS sorcerers. A decade ago, building software meant huge budgets, large teams, and endless meetings. Now, one person with a laptop, some no-code tools, and AI APIs can build powerful, profitable tools in weeks. Welcome to micro-SaaS. Picture this: a small app that helps Etsy sellers instantly write SEO-optimized product titles. A mini tool that suggests viral YouTube thumbnail text based on trends. Or a Chrome extension that rewrites LinkedIn headlines to help job seekers stand out. With tools like Bubble or Make, and AI integrations like GPT-4 or Midjourney, you can create these solutions quickly. Even if you only land 100 paying users at $20 per month, that's $2,000 in monthly recurring revenue. Many founders scale beyond that quietly, long before the mainstream even notices. While the world rushes into crowded markets like dropshipping or day trading, you're building a software asset that grows and generates money on its own. The content alchemists. Every hour-long podcast or YouTube interview is a goldmine of hidden content. Most creators upload the main episode, maybe post 1 or 2 clips and move on. But they're leaving a massive amount of value on the table. This is where you come in as an AI-powered content repurposer. With AI tools that summarize, transcribe, and generate short-form content, you can transform one podcast episode into 10 TikToks or Reels, 3 blog posts, a newsletter, several Pinterest graphics, and a LinkedIn article. Creators are desperate to grow but don't have the time or energy to cut up and reshape all that content. You become their secret weapon. You handle the entire process and deliver a fresh content package each week. Clients will pay anywhere from $1,000 to $3,000 per month for this service. Land just 5 clients, and you're already on a 6-figure annual income track. No need to film or be on camera yourself. The global education goldmine. Millions of people worldwide are desperate to learn new skills: coding, design, marketing, entrepreneurship. But there's a problem. Most online courses are only in English. Here's your window. Become a course localization specialist using AI. With tools like DeepL and new generation AI translators, you can help creators translate and adapt their courses into Spanish, German, Korean, Japanese, and more. AI handles the heavy lifting, about 90% of the translation, and you polish it for cultural relevance and accuracy. When you help a creator reach a whole new market, they can double or even triple their revenue overnight. They're happy to pay large one-time fees or ongoing royalties because the upside is so high. Instead of fighting in an overcrowded English-speaking course market, you help creators break into new territories and earn alongside them. The silent investor's secret weapon. Every investor and trader wants an edge. They want to know what's about to happen before the masses do. With advanced AI tools, you can create a service that provides exclusive data insights and predictive reports to small hedge funds, private investors, or high-net-worth individuals. For example, tracking big crypto wallet movements to predict price changes, analyzing unusual stock option activity before earnings announcements, monitoring sentiment waves on social media to detect hype cycles before they peak. AI does the deep data analysis. You turn the results into clear, actionable reports that investors can act on. You don't need to write long, technical papers. Short, precise updates are often more valuable. You can charge subscriptions, one-off report fees, or even retainers worth thousands per month. In the new financial frontier, you're not the miner. You're selling advanced shovels. The insights that make the real money. The crossroads. As you're watching this, you stand at a rare crossroads. AI is no longer a future idea. It's the invisible power source of this generation, driving new businesses and creating new millionaires behind the scenes. Most people will sleepwalk through this revolution. They'll keep searching for easy side hustles that are already overcrowded and on their way out. But you have a chance to step ahead of the crowd. Will you start now and test one of these side hustles, even if it feels imperfect at first? Or will you wait until everyone else is already there and the opportunities have vanished? The biggest regret you'll have 5 years from now won't be losing money on an experiment. It'll be missing your chance to build something meaningful when AI first opened the door. Pick one hustle. Start small, iterate, learn, grow. Because the future doesn't belong to the loudest voices, it belongs to the earliest movers who take action before the rest of the world catches up. Which of these AI side hustles sounds most exciting to you? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I read every single one. If you're serious about staying ahead of the curve, make sure to subscribe, like this video, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next deep dive. In this AI revolution, the winners won't be the ones shouting the loudest. They'll be the ones who started the earliest. Stay sharp, stay curious, and remember, you're always just one smart idea away from changing your life forever.